Kunin mo yung lightstick mo. May binili ako, diba? Yung ano nga, tawag dito. Yung parang lanyard. Ako, ito pa mo. Sabihin ako gusto mo.
Mali ako.
Okay lang. Hindi kita. Ulit. 1, 2, 3, go. Hindi ka tumitingin.
A few moments later.
Okay, here's our fit check. Going to Moarina. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hello. So we're on our way to the Moarina for Enhypen's bench fan meet. And kung makikita nyo, fresh na fresh kami, bagong ligo. Dahil nag-book kami ng hotel sa Hotel 101. And ayun, para walking distance lang, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalapit. Kakalabas lang namin ng hotel, by the way. You know yung green. Then ayan, ayan na si Moarina. I mean si Moa na globe. Then you're just going to turn left. And yun na, Moarina na siya. We're inside Moarina. Let's go. Lower box kami, so akyat na kami dito. Bakit naman yung ticket mo? Thank you. Wow! J19. Sa gilid lang yun. Sige, thank you.
Let's see how intense our engines are today. Are you guys ready for some sweet venom?
Thank you guys!
Tomorrow.
Ayan, hello, good morning. Nag-take out lang kami ng breakfast sa Jollibee. So katabi-katabi lang siya yan. Ayan. Lang kami breakfast for today. Hello, so we're just done eating our breakfast and magbibis kami kasi magpupul kami for a short while para masulit namin yung stay natin sa Hotel 101. Okay naman yung stay namin dito, peaceful naman and super lapit na sa Moa Arena. I think if my next concert ako sa Moa Arena, I'll go here again kapag gusto ko magstay. Hi guys, so we're now checking out sa Hotel 101 and going home to Cavite after ng aming main staycation at Bench and Hype and Fun Week. Kamusta yung Fun Week? Nag-enjoy ka ba? Gano'ng ka-enjoy? Bakit ang baba ng energy mo kahapon ang taas-taas ng Bench and Hype? Anyway, ayun, we're checking out.